Kingdom Business. We're back. We're truly about doing the Father's business. That's what this channel is all about. It's about stock investing and it's about business ownership. Teaching you how to make money for the kingdom. And what you're looking at is the day trade I'm in. I'm in a 31-day challenge for the month of October. And I want to show you, see that long candle right there? This is a 15-minute candle. I was in this trade right at the top because it was such a big candle. I thought it was going to reverse and come back down. Now look what happened when I got in and this thing just took off all the way up. Right at the top here, I was literally down $10,000. I could not believe it. I didn't know what to do. I was nervous. I think I only had like an extra, like 12,000 a margin. So if it went up a little bit more, if it went up to around here, it would have stopped me out and I would have been $12,000, $15,000 loss. But I knew I should have waited the next candle just to see what it was going to do. But I was in right there at the top, waiting for this thing to come all the way down. Down 10,000 here. Started come back down. Right at the very tip of it, right at the very tip of that candle, I think I was down maybe about 1,000, from 10,000 to about 1,000. Came all the way back up, was down about 8,000 right there. I saw the pattern though. I saw how it was slowly coming down, and it did what happened. It did what it did. Right there at the bottom, at 50. I want to show you something. Right there where that arrow is, I got out with $1,000 gain. I was down 10,000. It reversed to $1,000 gain. Now you can see it's below the line where I got out. So if I held it, like right now it's falling, if I held it, I would probably be down. I would probably be up another maybe 1,500, but I just got out. Once I saw that 1,000, I took it because I waited all this, and plus I was down so bad. Once I saw green, I got out. And this was over, what is this, 15, 30? This is over an hour worth of waiting, hoping. But look at the direction. So most likely it will fall down to here. This was my goal right here, right at this line. That's called the VWAP. Right at that line. I believe it's going to fall to this line, but I was so nervous. Like I could be making a lot of money right now. It's falling. You see this right here? Where's my arrow at? All that 540. I got out at 550. So it's going back out. It's going back up. Let's see if we get one more tick up right there. I got out right around there. So, and I told you, right at the end of this wick I got out. But I believe it's coming down here by the end of the day. It might chop around a little bit. But yeah, I didn't want to play around, so I just got out. And let me show you what I did. Riding this candle. Now I rode this candle up. I made money while this was going up. But I tried to play the reversal. I got caught. It went all the way up, down 10,000. Came all the way down. I was down about 1,000. Popped all the way back up. I was down about 8,000. Came all the way down. I got out with $1,000 gain. And let me show you the gain. This is what I made today. $1,000 gain. I had a bunch of contracts because I kept buying more as it went down. So I paid roughly $150 in commissions. Made made 1,000, took out commissions right around 900. So let's go back to the chart. As you can see, it's falling. I got out at 550. It's 540 now. So I could have made a little bit more money. Look at that, 535 is dropping. I believe it's coming down to here, like I said. Let's see how it plays out. This is a 15-minute chart. But let me show you what I did today. 100, started off with $100 winner. Nice $1,400 trade. Got all these $100 winners. Remember how I used to do it to 20? Like these? You remember all these little $20, $30, $40 trades? I'm starting to let them ride a little longer and making hundreds. 600. And that was the last trade that you just saw. I'm stopping for the day. $900. This is the total for the day. You ready? $3,500. $3,500 day trading in 1.5 hours. My last trade, this whole trade here, took an hour. 1.5 hours, 8 wins, 0 losses. Undefeated again. $3,500 today. You see how it's doesn't want to go 550. That's where I got out. The next candle is in another 3 minutes. I believe I did the right thing, because I believe this is going to turn around. It might come down here, or it might turn around a little bit, then maybe come back down. But look at these. You got 2 strong candles in the opposite direction. Today was a nice money move. $3,500. Made 35 on the day, was down 10,000. Now, the beautiful thing is, if you know the direction, you didn't have to. I did not take this $10,000 loss. I wanted to. I just wanted to get out. My nerves were playing with me. My mind was playing with me to get out and start over. But I just let it ride. See how it's starting to come back? I just told you I have a feeling it's going to come back up a little bit. You have 1 minute to go. We're gonna do this, just play it. Now so I would have been losing money. I would have been back up to loss. Look at it. I called it live. Let's see. Maybe the next candle. Let's see how this plays out. We got another minute. It's coming down for that last minute. So it should be a new candle coming up. And there it is. Now let's see what direction it wants to go. It might go down one more direction or one more candle. But you do see the direction though. Everybody sees this. I just got in. I did a put a little too early. I should have waited to see what direction this candle was going. And then I definitely would have got in up here and made a lot more money. So that's what we do. That's what Kingdom Business made. 3,500 in an hour and a half of trading. So $3,500 an hour. That's not bad at all. If you want to be a part of this, reach out to me. And next month, after this, I got one more day. I might wait until Friday. After this, I might start some class. I might start some teaching. See how I just told you what was going to happen. You saw this live. I told you it was going to go up. Look at that. So I would have been down again losing money. This worked out perfect for me. I still believe it's coming down to here. But reach out to me. If you want to get in business, you want to get into the stock market, let me help you make money. Because we're making it for the kingdom and we are being a blessing to whoever God puts in our path. Until then, until tomorrow, I will see you tomorrow. One more day, 1 or 2 more days. Unless I can't wait to see the total for the month. This is going to be shocking and it's going to be amazing. So follow along. Subscribe to this channel, like this channel, and be part of the kingdom. Shalom.